Hey guys, it's Tony. I know a lot of you have requested BTC or Bitcoin TA. So just in case you guys are hearing me for the first time or watching me for the first time, yeah, I just finished running, taking a quick 5-minute break. But let's get started because I don't want to take too long on this. For those of you asking, yes, I am still bearish on Bitcoin as long as the month chart is showing me bearish signs, which is this green dot being created, which is my MACD, my custom MACD, basically telling me, hey, if you are long on Bitcoin, sell your long positions. As long as this signal is green, I am bearish on Bitcoin. That's exactly what I am right now. I still think we're going down. I still think we're gonna retest those back lows of 33K, 30K, and then possibly 25K. On the week chart, we are still showing signs of possibly still being pretty decently bearish. These last, what is it called? These last MACD crosses towards the upside were super weak. So I'm definitely expecting another sell-off to 33,000 soon. On the day chart, it is looking like we are weakening on the MACD. Look at that. We actually closed today, or we're going to be closing today, May 27th. Well, we actually just started. So as soon as this closes in that like dark mahogany color, like that bloodish color right there, I will be expecting another move to the downside. Like I said, right now, we are looking like we're going to be headed down. We are touching that 200 MA on the downside. So we are officially under that 200 MA. I do think we are just retesting these levels and we're going to be going back down again, especially right now. As far as the Stoke, it is looking like bullish momentum is dying. Like I said, my major point of reversal is basically the 200 MA being tested and not broken. We're in very strong resistance, and also the MACD is creating weaker signs of bullish movement. If we go a little bit deeper to the 4-hour, we can actually already see that 4-hour cross on the bear side, which was actually back here around that 40K level. I do think that right now we are going to be trailing sideways, but like I said, I really think that we're actually going to go back down to 33K. I mean, look at the hour chart. We're about to break on the bear side, and on the 4-hour we already broke, so we're still bearish. And on the 1 day, we're creating a weaker movements to the bull side. So still 100% bearish on Bitcoin. I still think we're going to be dropping to lows again of 33K, 30K, and then possibly somewhere like 26, 25. As far as peak low, there's still a very big chance that we drop to like 17 to 20K. I still think that's definitely a big possibility. But as of right now, I am definitely still pretty bearish on Bitcoin, and more than likely, I might be adding another short position to my Bitcoin shorts, basically at this level. And my take profit will probably be like 33K, but we'll see. But yeah, just on quick, Bitcoin, 100% still bearish. I do think that the rally downward is actually going to start pretty soon, if not already started, back here on this 40K drop to where we are now. But like I said, the hour is showing signs of us turning bearish, and the day looks like we are going to be turning bearish, or we're going to be seeing drops on Bitcoin sometime around this weekend again. So I'll see you guys later.